Friends, hello! In this video, I want to give you important information on how to protect the plants you have already planted if frost is coming your way. For instance, tonight we will experience a temperature of +3 degrees, and temperatures from 0 to +5 are classified as frost, which can easily destroy all the plantings we have cultivated in open ground or in a greenhouse. Therefore, it needs to be well protected. First of all, let me talk about open ground. How can plants be protected here? And I will demonstrate using grapevine seedlings because they also need protection. It is best to use plastic buckets or plastic tubs, especially when the seedlings are already tall. You can also build such shelters by utilizing sticks near each plant and then covering them with agrofiber on the top. And secure it so that the wind doesn't blow it away. And most importantly, make sure that buckets, basins, and this kind of covering do not touch our plants because of the frosts. They lay on top of the covering, not penetrating to the middle, so even though the plant will be cold, it will withstand. However, in the event of frosts and direct impact on the plant, it will turn black and wilt. When the plant comes into contact with the covering, whether buckets or agrofiber, the parts that rub against it will also be damaged. And under no circumstances use metal buckets or basins or other metal coverings. Also, if your plants are planted in rows, you can purchase these mini greenhouses. They are made of agrofiber and will also protect your plants well. Such coverings can be used in a greenhouse as well. For example, in my greenhouse, I cover the beds as follows. Since my beds are small, I took metal plastic pipes, made arcs out of them, and inserted them into the ground so that their height was about 30 centimeters higher than the plants. I also cut the agrofiber to the width I needed, using agrofiber with a density of 50 grams per meter, laying it out like this. Bend them over hoops and fix on top. Make coverings in advance, not in evening when sun has set, but earlier when sun is still shining, so warmth, which sun will heat up, will be preserved longer under this covering to provide extended protection. And now, after the night for which meteorologists predict frost, we don't remove the covering right away, but wait until the temperature outside rises above +10 degrees, and only then do we uncover our plants. And if the temperature remains cold during the day, then there is no need to remove this covering at all. In this way, you will save your plants. Therefore, friends, if the weather forecast promises frost at night, be sure to cover all your plants. Now you know exactly how to do it. I wish you a strong harvest and a good day. See you in the next videos.